Hiya, welcome back to Suno Crafts by Maria. Today I'm going to be taking part in the collaboration How to Make Your Dragon. I have got this new mould, which I got from Temu, and these two, well, you know this dragon, it's the one that I make all the time. This little dude sits on my desk watching me craft because I'm that sad. I have decided to make another one of him, and because I love this mould so much, I actually bought a second one, which Sally from All Aboard Resin Creations said I was very, very greedy. But I love it, and I love how it turns out, and it's very popular. So I thought I'll make that. Plus it's a dragon, and that's what this collab's about. This one I was going to brush on Nick Pro Chameleon powders, but then I remembered I had these come from Temu about a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks ago, and I thought, well, they're metallic pigment pastes, so I can always give them a go instead. I haven't used them, and that's what this channel's about, is learning and trying different things, so it's pointless me keep doing the same thing over and over again. So I thought I'd try these, but I may have to go and see if my daughter's awake to go and ask her to help me choose the colour, because if you're colourblind, these do not have the colours on, so they don't help. I don't know what they are. I could take a wild guess, but I'd probably be wrong, so I might see if my daughter's awake. It's very late, she's in bed because I couldn't sleep, so I thought do some crafting. I always craft if I've got a lot on my mind or if I can't sleep. So I thought tonight I've got a lot on my mind and I can't sleep, so crafting, here I come. And it is the first time crafting in my new craft room. I have swapped bedrooms, and today is the first day I'm recording in my new craft room, so hopefully it's bright enough and it's clear enough and the sound's all set up and everything. If not, I'm talking to myself, which is nothing new for me. So I've swapped rooms with my craft room. My craft room, if you ever watched my welcome video, was the box room of the house. It's small, too small to fit all of my craft stuff in, bearing in mind I do sublimation and resin and everything else you can think of, so I needed a big space for that, and my bedroom was huge. So yeah, I decided, well, actually my daughter Angel, she actually suggested I swap rooms a few weeks ago, and then my son came over, he slept over for a couple of nights. He said, Mum, why don't you just swap your rooms? So now me and Angel now have a massive craft room, because she likes to make her jewellery, and she does some polymer clay and air dry clay. She's home educated, so she can do her homework up here if she wanted to, and she's got a bit of peace and quiet. So it worked out a lot better. I don't want to bore you with any of that anyway. What I'm trying to talk to you about is this. As you know, I make this dragon so often, but I love it so much. But I don't want to keep repeating on my channel. I want to do new things and like learn what works. So I've decided to do one dragon in this gravel that's for aquariums. I'm going to do one in that, and I'm going to do one in Himalayan salt. So I'm going to see how that turns out. I have used gravel before, no problem. I don't think I've used coloured gravel, but I have used like this normal, like sandy coloured gravel. I've never used Himalayan salt. I've never used any salt. I've wanted to, so tonight I'm going to try. So I'm going to do that in the dragon. Yes, there's going to be bubbles, and yes, probably missing spikes, but I can try and build them up with UV resin. So I am going to get masked up, gloved up. I would put my apron on, but I don't know where it is since I've moved. I will bring you back when I have mixed up the resin. These take 70 mils each, so that's 140. I'm doing 2 in this, so that's 340. So it's 170A and 170B. I'll be using the jdiction high gloss resin as usual, and I will bring you back when I'm ready to pour. See you soon. Bye. Right, I made up 300 mils, and the reason why I made up 300 is I wanted 200 for this, and I was going to make up 70 each for these, so another 140. So I was going to make 340. But with the stones and the Himalayan salt, you're going to need less resin. So I only made up 300, and that's probably going to be too much. But we'll see. First of all, you got to spray these dragon molds and give it a squidge so it goes all into those little spikes that he's got. Spin it around and then dump it out onto a kitchen towel. I'm going to pour a little bit of clear in the bottom. And now I'm going to put Himalayan salt in this one. I'm going to pour a little bit in and make a mess. I was making a mess. I was doing a Susie from Serendipity Resin Creations. Right, let's get the stones in. Right, my daughter chose, because she helped me choose, she said it'll be nice like a galaxy colour. So she's done dark blue, light blue, pink, purple. And I've got them all mixed up already.
Swirling colors, visions blur, pouring resin, time it disappears. Maria's therapy. YouTube channel, come and see. Serenity Crafts, that's me. Serenity Pour.
I thought I'd try just add in the clear, just to top it up. And to be honest, it filled it up nicely. I can demold it tomorrow. I say it's filled it up fully. It's not 100% full, but a lot better than it was with just the colours. Right, that's me done. And all that's left to do now is wait, and then I'll bring you back for demold. So, see you soon.
Serenity Crafts by Maria. Swirling colors, ain't nothing iller. Lost in the pour, find my euphoria.
Hiya, welcome back. As you may have saw on the sped up section of this video, I was doing a bit of a painting. I just did a random design with the big sun on a piece of wood. It was actually, I bought it for 99p. They were reduced and they were from a shop called QD, Quality Discounts in the UK. And it was a piece of wood and it got like some material on it, like in different shapes. So I pulled the material off it. I felted the back, and the front I've just painted a design on to make it a little bit more mystical. I'm going to stick the dragon on it to make a picture. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and that will probably hang on my wall. That's if I like it. So I'll just show you what I've done here. It's just a random design. I had no idea from the time I picked up the pens to the time I put them down. I still think it needs something else, but I think it's going to be some rhinestones. But I'm going to sit the dragon on first, see where I want that. But I've got to demold it first, and I might not even like it. I have got an update on this one. There's a hole in my mould right on the ear. I'm not sure if that will pick that up. But yeah, so I actually contacted Temu, and within 20 seconds I'd got my refund, so can't grumble really, just a bit of a pain. However, I should have noticed it was there, because last night when I was pouring it, I thought, well, I can't remember spilling any, but there was a big pile of it down here and I just assumed I spilt it. So anyway, let's get this demolded and see what our little friend looks like. Oh, all the spikes are intact, guys. There's no bubbles in the spikes. That's amazing. Oh my goodness. He's so brilliant. I'm amazed. That stone. There, I might trim that one off. There, actually it just peeled away. That's amazing. I cannot actually believe that the spikes didn't get holes in. Well, there you go. There's one. There, let him sit there and get that off there. Alright, I've got to remember that's the mould not to use. This one's going to need some trimming because I filled it, I topped it up right to the top. This was the older mould that I know hasn't got holes in it. Oh, he come out really, really cute. No bubbles. That's what I like to see. I'm shocked about the bubbles, you know, because you put things like stone and Himalayan salt in it, you expect them to have a few bubbles, at least. He is really, really cute. I'll do their faces. Right, let's demold this one. I've got a funny feeling I might have dropped a stone or some salt in this. I'm not 100% sure, but I tried to fish it out, but I don't think I managed to get it. Yeah, I dropped one there, one there. Oh, but he's great. Those colours are lovely and shiny. Oh, there's another one here. But I might go silver around that bit anyway, and that would actually cover them all up. And then he will be sitting, sorry dragons, you're going to have to move. And he will be sitting like that maybe, a bit lower. Oh, I don't know if I like it. I'll speak to my daughter. It's just like too much happening. It's a bit fuzzy for my eyes. He's beautiful though, isn't he? Really lovely colours. Perhaps it would have been better if it was just the sun and black. I just wanted it a bit more like fantasy kind of. But then I was going to put diamantes or rhinestone, should I say, along as well. So I can always work at it and bring you back with the finished piece. So yeah, I will bring you back when they're all complete. See you soon. Hiya, welcome back. Well, it's done. It's stuck on. Stuck it on with some E6000. And I have finished. I'll just show you. I've painted the edges as well. So that's how I made my dragon. And the green's still a little bit wet. I did find some bubbles in the end, but they weren't in the spikes like I thought. They were on his tummy. But he's done now. Just give him a little face. Oh, and one in his eye. But he's just going to sit and watch me with my other one. So he's just going to be on my crafting desk. And then this little fella, or little girl, she is complete. I absolutely love her. I think she's fantastic. So yeah, that's my how to make a dragon collaboration video, and it's also part of the Friendship Express collaboration as well, which I take part in every Saturday, and both playlists for both collabs. So you'll have the Friendship Express collaboration and you'll have How to Make Your Dragon collaboration. Both of those playlists will be on my description box, along with all the links and things that I use on a regular basis, discount codes, and different things like that. So it's all on there. So thank you for watching. Give me a little like and a comment. The likes help my channel so much. If you would like to subscribe as well, that would be amazing. More the merrier. I love my little community and I appreciate all of you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really good day, night, morning or evening whenever you're watching this. Take care. Bye.